What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to reset Windows 10 or 11 to default settings. These are the easy steps to follow. Now our goal is to go over to settings, so we're going to go to start, and then right here you have settings, just go and click on it, and then here on the left side bar you want to click on system, then scroll to where you're going to see recovery. So we're going to click on recovery because it says here recovery, reset, advanced startup, go back. So we're going to click on it, and here you have reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So once you click on reset PC, a pop-up window will come and you'll need to choose between these two options. You could decide to keep your files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. But because you want to go to your default settings, you might want to choose remove everything, which removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So once you click on that, you will begin the process of resetting your Windows 10 or 11. Just make sure to run a backup in order not to lose vital information. So this is how to reset Windows 10 or 11 to default settings.